Torrential rain has been pouring down for 3 straight days. As much as 300 millimeters of rain is expected in Jeollanam-do Province, in Gyeongsangnam-do Province, up to 200 millimeters in the Chungcheong-do Provinces and southern Gyeonggi-do Province, and 30 to 100 millimeters in Seoul by tomorrow. In addition, there will be strong winds across the country. Gusty winds of around 20 meters per second in the mountainous areas are expected. Also, landslide warnings have been issued in the Chuncheong-do, Jeolla-do, and Gyeongsangbuk-do Provinces. You should avoid riversides and underground roads. Morning temperatures will start off at around 23 to 26 degrees across the country. Daily highs will go up to 29 degrees in Seoul, Chuncheon and Busan, Gyeongju, Daejeon and Gwangju, 30 degrees. Rain in the Seoul metropolitan area and western parts of Gangwon-do Province will mostly stop by Sunday. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.